Today I show you how to pull Ethernet cable using the old cable. That's the outside and this is the bedroom. I want to replace the old Cat5E cable with this new Cat6A cable, and I'll show you how to do that. You can use the old cable to pull the new cable through the conduit, through the walls, and to do that you have to remove some of the insulation, some of the jacket of the new cable and the old cable, both of them. Before you start, make sure that you know where this cable goes to the other side. You need to make sure where is the other side of this conduit.
The wires are thicker also.
Most of the time, unless you're pulling fiber optic cable through the conduit, the new cable will be much thicker. So you have to be careful that you don't pull too hard, and also you can use some kind of lubrication, soap, wax, or special wire cable lubricant. And you do some kind of loops, some kind of a loop like this. The idea is to not to make this too large. This shouldn't be too large. That's why I removed the insulation, and if you want it to be even smaller, you can remove some of the wires, some of the Ethernet wires, but I prefer to keep them all together so they are not getting moved around. That's how it looks like, and I will put some electrical tape just to make it all secured so they don't come apart, they don't unravel themselves. This is best to do as two people, one pulling and the other one helping the cable go inside the wall. And I want to show you here, I have a bit of a different setup. This is the other side of the cable. I opened this after because I know where this is. I had it installed before. And this one, you don't really need to use this kind of old style jacks, connectors for the wall.
Better don't use this. Use the Cat6A or Cat6 keystone jacks.
Here I have an intermediary socket where the cable comes from the one room, from the main room, to here and then to the secondary box.
The cable goes from behind the TV to here and then to here to the other plug. So we'll start pulling it soon. Pipe is big enough, but on some bends it might be not good enough. Let's see. I have to pull from this side, like that. Don't pull this side. So it's coming. Bit of damage to the cable, but it's coming out. Okay, it's going slowly. Okay, keep going.
If you notice here on the left, I have also a fiber optic cable, and that's where the internet comes from, so I have to be extra careful not to damage that.
Okay.
You should do it slowly, don't rush it.
I also push it in from this side while pulling from the other side.
Here I had to apply a bit of force because the conduit in the wall seems to have many bends. But you can really use a bit of soap with water, or just soap, or just wax to make it go faster, easier.
It's here. Okay.
After the cable comes out, you have a few choices. I chose not to use the jacks.
A bit of damage to the jacket. It's just scratches. Now the next plug. Okay, now it's time to pull from this side further. Okay, go. Okay, slowly. Now go slow and help it go inside. Okay, keep going and push it a little bit, and from the other side keep pulling. From this side you keep pulling, pull up if it comes from below, or pull down if it comes from above, so you don't put tension on the. Okay, so it's out. Okay, it's almost finished there. Okay, now time to pull the other side. When the loop gets small, pull it slowly. Okay, that's enough. Here you could bring another cable from the other side and put even here another socket. Maybe I'll do that. Went from behind the TV, then goes to the other side, and then goes to the switch, for the 10 gigabit Ethernet connection, but we're not finished. I have to put back here the plug and crimp the wires. Cat5E 200 megahertz. I will only put it as a cover here. Now the black one is the one, and this super thick one is the LAN cable. That's the cable.
You can also use a special wire puller that you can fish through the conduit and then pull the wire back with it. But if you have an old wire already there, you can simply use that to pull the new wire. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.